Hello, welcome to Torch Hours. Hello again. You are going to notice in this video I am wearing a couple of different outfits because my first round of recording had some sound issues, and now I'll carry on. I have to share, I'm recording in winter and the ski season is so good this year compared to last year. I will recap skiing at the end of the season. For now, I would love to start off sharing this wintry weekend experience I just came back from. On Saturday, we went up to Arrowhead to skate. Arrowhead Provincial Park is close to Algonquin and in the Muskoka area. The park converts a road loop into an ice skating loop, and they just do such an excellent job. They have a beautiful fire at the beginning of the loop. They've got cubbies for boots and backpacks. Hello. I kept in a few of the conversations I had ice skating because I thought they were kind of fun and interesting. Feel free to speed through them if you wish. Full disclosure, I totally wiped out on a divot. We're at Arrowhead and it's what, a 1.5 kilometer path through the woods. And there's a downhill section. So you actually don't have to do any work.
You just stand.
Pretty much. And it's a classic day. There's a light snowfall, and the trees have all the little perfect balls of snow on them. Woo-hoo! Oh my god. Whoa.
Seems like this whole course is downhill both ways.
Yeah, there was downhill definitely at the beginning as well.
Yeah.
But it is, yeah, it's gradual, I guess. This is more, you can see more of a decline here.
I can just imagine, that crashed ice, the Red Bull thing that they do, the racing in Quebec City. They go in that obstacle course and it's all ice.
Oh my god, we're going down now. Okay, you're gonna have to show me this Red Bull thing because I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, no, it's called crashed ice, and they race on a downhill course.
Oh my gosh, look how fast we're going. Thankfully there's no one here at the bottom. I'm feeling a bit more confident now.
People always post the best stuff. Oh, how much excitement they do.
I try to have a good balance. If there's something unusual that happened or that didn't work out, I try to share that. And if I fell on my butt right now, I'd probably share that too. I am not the best ice skater. My family asked me to choose between figure skating and skiing, and I chose skiing. So every time I get on skates, I feel like it is completely brand new. And I'm not blaming the ice or anything, but they don't use a Zamboni at Arrowhead. They use this brushing kind of tractor thing. There are ruts, it's very natural, and I definitely hit a lump and just went down for the count. I have a massive bruise on my left hip, and in the process, I took Lee down with me. Thankfully, he wasn't hurt. It was a bit of a scene for sure. And that explains my very stylish scarf skirt because I just got the chills after that fall and I didn't really have any padding with me to protect me, so I ended up wrapping my big scarf around my waist. I am fully aware that this is not a fashionable look. My hair is usually all over the place. I'm not picture perfect by any means when I'm doing any of these things, but I'm out. Bon appetit. After our ice skating, we went for a winter hike to Stubbs Falls. I've only been there in I think it was June, and it was just absolutely beautiful. There weren't too many people there, and I saw some really cool ice formations. We're here at frozen, well, not so frozen, Stubb Falls. Ice pancakes. On Sunday, we carried on with our wintry theme and we went cross-country skiing at Georgian Nordic Outdoor Activity Centre. Technically, I've been cross-country skiing pretty much my entire life, but my experience and my learning really just comes from strapping on cross-country skis and following my parents through powdery mountain forests. I've never been to any formal tracks. I've never had any formal training up until Georgian Nordic Centre. Being that I haven't really cross-country skied in a couple of years, I was happy, I guess, not to have to crush the powder with cross-country skis. And I did find the tracks on the trails actually really helpful. The lessons were great. It really gave me a lot to think about. I also learned that my poles from my childhood are way too short for me, so I will go out and find some new poles. I can't say enough about Georgian Nordic Centre. The trails are fantastic, the scenery is beautiful, everyone there is so happy, it's not overly crowded. I think it is definitely worth the drive to go there. There aren't any cafes or restaurants there. If you do decide to go there, I advise that you pack a really nice lunch and some warm drinks in a thermos. Okay, enough about this wintry weekend. We are here for the main event, and that is the Bruce Trail. In this episode, I'm taking you through our second full weekend on the Syndenham Club section. On day one, we started at Woodford Community Centre, and we went through this beautiful area on the escarpment. And we continued on to the Lebanese Mountain Trail, all the way through here, ending at Irish Block Road. On day two, we began at Irish Block Road, and we followed the Bruce Trail all the way through Syndenham Forest East. There is a little bit of road hiking here, through this section here, onto the highway, and then we turned onto 10 Concession South Road, and we continued straight through to the Bruce Trail parking lot. This is the section that no longer is part of the Bruce Trail. On the first day, we hiked 23.3 kilometers from Woodford Community Centre to Irish Block Road. We got it?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna go. This one's quite interesting so far. I like these narrow paths. Near the beginning of our hike, we passed an old foundation of a pioneer church. to do. Kind of exciting. We're going through. True that, true that. And it's a very yummy one. I'm finding it's an anniversary edition. And I can taste like there's like a chocolate and there's some other good stuff in it.
That's Chris's favorite.
Oh, where? Oh, he just went. There were so many frogs in this pond. And there were so many different kinds of mushrooms on this trail. After a few kilometers of hiking, we reached the Lebanon Mountain Trail. This is a special part of the Bruce Trail designated as a friendship trail. We are here. So now we are starting the Lebanon Mountain Trail. The majority of the Friendship Trail passes through the Bayview Escarpment Provincial Nature Reserve. Oh, wait, sorry guys. I just wanted to dance around the tree. The Nature Reserve is considered the crown jewel of the 2007 69-kilometer Bruce Trail extension. This park is 1,100 acres of protected forest high on the escarpment. Views of Georgian Bay, the countryside, and the Meaford Land Forces training base can be seen from the lookouts. Oh my gosh, if we had a great camera.
Yeah, I can't, my picture doesn't really do it justice.
Just the silhouette of the other cliff right there too.
Yeah.
Now that I see it, yeah. Pretty scary.
Just a hop, skip, and a jump away.
Yeah.
Attic. Oh, you're cute. You're so cute. Okay. Oh, no. Sorry, Danielle. I'm like hiding behind Danielle. I'm so sorry. They are cute.
Just chilling.
Yeah.
You know, there's places where you can like cuddle with cows and like nap with cows. I would totally do that. Hello. It looks like a velvet. Oh, I just want to roll around with it.
It smells so good here. Like, what is that? Probably. No, I think so. I think there was like a little dance.
Here it goes again. The smoke.
Yeah. Very subtle.
I was totally drinking tea out of whatever that is.
This is adorable. This would make a great picnic spot. Oh, and there's the cows moving in the background.
Google it. See what they're called?
Elephant ears?
Elephant ears?
I don't know, I'm guessing.
Yeah. No.
This is the start of tomorrow.
Your glasses are really glasses.
Looks like my car. What a concept.
That night, we stayed at the KOA near Owen Sound. And as much as we all love our backcountry camping, we did appreciate having showers. Oh, there it goes. Oh, gee. Whoa, this is aggressive. Whoa.
Alfred's tractor.
Oh, holy, look at them all. Like, good thing they're not sharks. I wouldn't want to be in there right now. Like, that's terrifying. Look at,
I know they're big, huh?
and they're coming more. Oh, I got one. On day 2, we began at Irish Block Road, where we left off the day before. We hiked 19.7 kilometers from Irish Block Road to just past the KOA campsite.
Well, now you know why it's red.
Very lush. It feels like that's a fortress up here. It's like so different on the right and the left.
They carved it up. Polka. I see polka. Polska.
Oh yes, I do see that.
Yeah, Polska.
A section of this trail goes along Highway 26. Eventually, the trail turns onto 10th Concession South. If you have one of the older maps for the Bruce Trail, the trail will show that it goes through the KOA campground. This is no longer part of the Bruce Trail. The Bruce Trail now goes from the highway to 10 Concession South and continues past KOA to the Bruce Trail parking lot. As I mentioned, I stayed at the KOA and it does look like they have maintained at least a portion of the former Bruce Trail section that went through there, but I didn't have a chance to go and explore it further. The end of today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the trail or the ski hill.